In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund purchases on a PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The proper way to request a refund for any purchases that you have made on a PlayStation 5 is through the PlayStation website. So I highly recommend that you do this process through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and you go to www.playstation.com. Like I said in the beginning, this is going to be the primary way to make sure that you can guarantee a refund. Once you arrive at the website, select Support on the menu at the top and then click Support once more. Now, in this page, in order to refund a purchase on your PlayStation 5, click the PlayStation Store and Refunds option. Once again, select Refunds and you will be able to request a PlayStation Store refund over here. Once you select this option, you have to pick between these three categories: refund for games and add-ons, subscriptions, and pre-orders. The process is mostly the same for all of them, so I'm just going to go ahead and select games and add-ons. But of course, keep in mind that you should go ahead and read through the description of your specific category. You might be or might not be eligible depending on the time of purchase. As you can see, for games and add-ons, which is what I'm going to assume most people are looking to get a refund for, what they have to say is that after purchasing this type of content through the PlayStation Store, you have 14 days, aka 2 weeks, from purchase to request a refund. If you have decided to download or stream the purchase content, you will not be eligible for a refund unless the content is faulty. So keep all of this in mind. You will only be able to get a refund if you are eligible. If you read through this and you are aware, click Contact PlayStation Support, and once more, PlayStation Stores and Refunds, PlayStation Store Refunds, and as you can see, they're going to give you all the contact options that they have available. You simply have to choose between one of them, and usually it's going to be live chat. Once you select this option, you will be able to get an agent to talk to you to help you solve your issue, present all the details about the request, and make sure that you give them a valid reason on why you want a refund. As long as you are eligible and you meet their policy, you will be able to get your money back. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund purchases on a PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.